Have you ever wondered why some teams get the job done even under pressure? It's not because of magic. They have tools and systems to make that happen. In this lecture, we will talk about three of those tools: Kanban, XP, and Lean. Let's introduce Kanban, XP, and Lean. For context, these frameworks aren't complicated. They help teams focus, cut waste, and deliver value. Each one has its purpose and deals with a specific problem. In this lecture, you will learn what Kanban, XP, and Lean are, how they work for different projects, and when to use each one. Kanban is a visual method of managing work. It uses the Kanban board to display tasks in columns. The very basic idea of Kanban is to optimize the flow of work by focusing on completing tasks one at a time. It is best for teams that need flexibility and want to visualize their workflow, like customer support or operations teams. Let's learn the fundamental principles of Kanban. Visualize work. Use a Kanban board to show all tasks and their current status. Limit work in progress. Set a maximum number of tasks that can be worked on at one time. Focus on flow. The goal is to keep work moving smoothly from start to finish, so pay attention to detail. Take the example of a software team. The team uses a Kanban board. They have columns: to do, in progress, and done. When in progress gets crowded, they know where the bottleneck is. Extreme Programming, XP, is a framework that emphasizes high-quality software development. This happens through best practices, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Customer involvement. Customers are actively involved throughout the process, providing feedback and setting priorities. This ensures the software aligns with their needs. Frequent releases. Work is delivered in small increments, allowing teams to gather feedback quickly and make improvements. An app team uses pair programming. They test every feature before it goes live. Their code is clean and the product works. Lean is a methodology focused on maximizing value while minimizing waste. Eliminate waste. Lean identifies and removes anything that does not add value to the end product or service. Build quality. Lean ensures quality at every step of the process. Instead of fixing errors later, Lean emphasizes doing it right the first time. Deliver fast. Streamline workflows to reduce delays and ensure faster value delivery. A factory uses Lean. They cut unnecessary steps on the assembly line. Production time drops by 20%. Kanban, visualizing and managing workflow. XP, ensuring high quality software. Lean, eliminating inefficiency. Kanban, clear tasks and smoother flow. XP, reliable, bug-free code. Lean, faster, more efficient work. Kanban, for ongoing work like customer support. XP, for software that needs to be top-notch. Lean, for improving big systems like factories. Picture 3 train stations. Each manages passengers differently. Kanban, the station, tracks train arrivals and departures. Passengers move smoothly because they know where to go. XP, the staff double checks the tracks and the trains. Everything is safe and reliable. Lean, the station cuts wasted steps. Ticket counters are fast. Passengers reach their trains quickly. Kanban, XP, and Lean are like parts of a station. Each fixes a problem. Together, they keep everything running smoothly. Write about how Kanban, XP, or Lean could improve a project you've seen or worked on. Thank you for listening. Kanban, XP, and Lean aren't just theories. They're tools that help teams work smarter and deliver better results. Let's discuss which platform you found more reliable. We're looking forward to seeing your feedback in the comment section.